What is up, everybody? This is Steve Z71 coming at you with a quick how-to on how to fix your GM tailgate that won't stay shut and won't close. Symptoms are you're out driving, hit a bump, maybe a pothole. Next thing you know, you hear this big bang, pull over, your tailgate's down, trying to get it up, it won't go up, won't shut. Or you go somewhere, drop it down, try to put it back up again, and it just will keep falling down. You really gotta push it up, and sometimes it can take like 5 or 10 tries. It's a very simple fix. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna move the tailgate striker inwards towards us. So what you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver, 3/8 ratchet with a 5/8 socket. So first, unscrew this bolt right here, unscrew this screw right here. These are what hold in the tail light. After you do that, you come over here, pull your tail light out, take your ratchet, you put on this nut right here. You push down till it breaks loose, spin it out, not entirely, and then with one hand you pull this striker in, and with your other hand you tighten this nut. When you tighten it up, you'll know when it's as tight as it can get, because it will just sort of spin really slowly. And so once you're done with that, you shut the tailgate and you push up with it, using your left shoulder, and you tighten it until it gets completely tight. And this should help bring this in more. And if need be, repeat on that side over there. Just do the exact same thing, and then test your tailgate, and you simply just put your tail light in, screw the 2 screws back in to make sure you don't drop these, and then to test it out. And if it doesn't work, you can try it again and it might help. As you can see, this got busted up because the latch was trying so hard to grab on, and it was not working because it was a little bit too far out. Also, if you can tell, mine is a little bent inwards, so that didn't help. But when I push it out, it was catching, and yeah, that's how you fix that. And usually it should shut. So if this helped you, leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.